In this video, I'm going to show you how to start the Multiquip AR14 vibratory roller. This is a roller that's used to compact job sites like this, where you have a full parking lot of recycled asphalt and you need to compact it. It has two drums on it and they vibrate, and there's a compactor built inside of it. So as you're driving, it's compacting, and just the sheer weight of this is also going to compact the material as well. Let's go ahead and get on and get started. Okay, so I'm sitting on the roller now, and you can see that the key is just this big. And you're gonna go ahead and put the key on the left side. The ignition's right here. It's gonna be pointing at spot number 0. And you're gonna go ahead and turn the key to position number 1. You're gonna get a red light, and you see that there's a turtle and a jackrabbit right here. So you wanna put this kind of in the turtle section. You definitely don't wanna be starting over here unless you already have been on for a while. So if this is a cold start, you put it at the turtle, and then you have a choke that comes up and down. When you're starting, you want to make sure that the choke is in the down position. And then lastly, you want to look at your shifter right here. If you're in any gear, like reverse or forward, it's not going to start. It has to be in this neutral position. Either here or there will work. Okay, so now that we have the choke pushed in, I'm on the turtle, I'm in neutral. I'm gonna go ahead and crank the engine. Okay, it cranks pretty quick, and I'm gonna pull this choke up just a little bit, push this. I'll let this run for a second. Let it warm up a bit. Go ahead and turn the compactor on. And I'm going to shift into drive and start driving. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it all the way on jackrabbit once it warms up after a few seconds. I'm thinking we're good right now. I'll go ahead and put this forward. Start driving. I'm going to go ahead and move this into the jackrabbit position after I make my turn. Got a big parking lot here, it's empty, so I feel safe driving with one hand. Alright, so here we go. And that's how you start it.